Hey guys, we've got the all-new Fruit Punch Gorilla Mode. Going to be giving this one a try today. This is their newest flavor, and coming out right on the tails of the root beer Gorilla Mode.
Which is a very sought-after flavor, especially in our store here. Once we get it, I think there's a few guys that come in looking for it.
Clear them out, yeah.
Yes. So Fruit Punch, I don't think we have this yet from Gorilla Mine, but we will be getting it shortly.
You like Fruit Punch?
No.
Me neither.
Yeah, so I'm hoping, I do like Gorilla Mine's flavors though, so I'm hoping they did some kind of spin on it. But like their other flavors, 1,000 milligrams of tyrosine, 400 milligrams of alpha GPC, 200 milligrams of uridine monophosphate, 100 milligrams of L-theanine, 15 milligrams of saffron. So we're going to be doing another video on saffron for depression coming up. 200 micrograms of huperzine and 100% of 5 essential vitamins. Most important thing, 200 milligrams of caffeine.
Yeah, one thing to note is back in the day, Bang and a lot of companies would like put a dusting of insignificant amount of ingredients. These are officious, is that the word? Officious doses of nootropics.
Did you say nootropics?
Nootropics.
Yes. Get some afternoon energy here. All right. Smells like fruit punch.
I don't hate it.
Not bad.
You don't like Hawaiian? What's a Hawaiian punch? Like that's way too sweet.
Yes.
This obviously a little bit more tempered.
Yeah, and I love the way that Gorilla Mine. I feel like their drinks are very crisp. I don't know if it's because it's really cold, but it's just got a nice little bite on to it. This actually tastes good.
I like Ghost, but it doesn't have that syrupy factor of the the Ghost.
Yeah. So, all right. What are our ratings here?
So with carbonation 1 through 10.
When you poured that, it was pretty carbonated. I'm going to go with an 8.
I'm going to go 8 as well. Level of sweetness. It's pretty sweet.
It's pretty sweet, not Ghost sweet, but it's up there. I'm going to give it a 7.5.
I'll go 8. Strength of flavor.
Fruit punch, I mean, it's pretty spot on.
Yeah, I'd say like 9.
Yeah, I'll go with you. Yeah, this, if you're a fruit punch lover, I think this is going to be like right up your alley.
Yeah, I think the carbonation and kind of the lack of actual real sugar kind of mellows out that overly sweet fruit punch.
Yeah, so
I'm not a big fruit punch guy. I'd actually drink this.
I agree with you. I think, once we get this in stock, I will pick up a can because it is a little bit different. There's not a lot of fruit punch ones out there.
Right, let alone carbonated.
Yeah, so this one actually, they really knocked this one out of the park. So definitely a very good energy drink if you are a fan of Gorilla Mine. Pick this one up. We should have it at Best Price Nutrition eventually. Sure. It's just starting to be sprinkled around the states.
Yeah, we'll link to our current flavors if you want to try the root beer, and then this one will be hitting that page shortly.
Yeah, all right. That's John. I'm Jeff. Thanks for watching.